We're doing Friday Night Funkin', the new blew-up game. I'm already in a week right now, which is not hard at all. This game is so easy. I beat every single week off camera. It just makes me laugh how he's holding a gun to Santa's head. I love flexing my power. I'm so good at this. Look at the bar. Just me. Oh, it lagged! It lagged! Oh my god! It lags! It's lagging! It's lagging!
Oh my god!
Get out! Get out of the video! No! Oh my god!
Maybe it's just the low.
It's not
5,000.
Shut up! Oh my god. Just a minute. Okay, I'm back. And I will do anything for a hot babe to save her. Oh my god, it's lagging. I hate my life. I hope you guys can see this lag. I'm so focused right now. The lag, dude. Oh my god! Oh my god. Wait, what is happening to these balls? Never mind. Let's just not talk about it. Let's play a different one that I play a lot. Alright. Let's play this. This week is my favorite week because it's easy and I like the music. So, we're gonna play it, and I'm gonna show you what I'm really made of. Yeah, sorry if I don't talk, I'm really focused. Oh my god, gamer move. I'm a god gamer. Anything for a hot babe. Oh! I'm so good. I definitely did not just mess up tremendously there. This game really just makes you test your limits, because it gets you so mad when you lose. It makes you want to play it more. That's what everyone does. Oh, it's lagging. Oh my god, it's lagging. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, God Gamer? Didn't miss one? God? I'm such a god. Oh my god, I'm so good. I'm so good. Ha! my god, I'm so good. No, I'm not. I suck. Hooray, I won. Now this guy's gonna play a song that's kinda hard. But I can do it. Because it's me, Jacob. And I know how to move my fingers like the arrows can move. If you just... Never mind. Oh, he sweat. Wow. They think they can get me. They think they can kill me. Those two little guys. Oh my god, I accidentally get right. Dude, it lagged. I would have done it if it didn't lag. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm still in the lead. Okay. That was such bad. Why won't I leave that spot? Oh, I did it. That was easy. That was so easy. Now we're gonna do this. It's lagging. Dude, this why is he purple and her daughter is white? I don't really like this song. I have an idea. Free play. Wait. This is my favorite song that the purple guy ever did to me. This song is the best. Well, no, it's not. Oh, it's lagging. Bro. I wish it didn't lag so much. Wait, maybe I pause it and unpause it? No. I'm still hitting it. I suck. Dude, why did I even play this game at the first? Oh! God Gamer! Oh! I'm gonna beat him when... I'm gonna beat him full percent. Haha. Okay, oh! I'm at full percent. Yes, I beat him. Alright, now we're gonna beat it in hard mode. Ready? Alright. That was... this. Uh-oh, it's hard mode. I'm scared, like really scared. I've never played hard mode on any of these songs before. Wait. It's the same. What? Wait, no, I want to play hard mode on it. Fine, we'll do them the whole week. Wait, is it not affecting it? Why is hard mode not affecting it? Oh, it's on normal. Wait, what? Okay, there we go. Hard mode. This is so easy. I noticed it's harder, but it's still really easy. You have to hit it perfectly on time, though. I think they animated the blue guy really well. Keith. Oh my god. It's lagging so bad. What's happening? I can't hit anything. Why was it lagging so badly? What? Oh my god. I'm getting so mad right now. Why is this game lagging? Okay, it's not lagging anymore. Right. I'm so good. Alright, well, tip of the game. Number 1, use arrows. Do not use WASD. Number 2, like and subscribe, because I might play this again. Goodbye.